It's getting hot outside and you're tired of sweating, so I'm going to show you how to remove an old ceiling fan and install this new Quartino ceiling fan by Hunter. I'm Daires of DIY Power Couple. Let me show you what comes inside the box. A manual, but you can just use this video. 2 light bulbs, a ceiling fan light kit, screws for the fan blades, a canopy and ceiling mounting bracket, a fan motor assembly, fan blades, and a glass light cover. To remove the old ceiling fan, first turn off power to the room at the light switch and the correct circuit breaker at the panel. Now remove the old light fixture and light bulbs. Loosen and remove all of the screws on the ceiling canopy. Remove all wiring. White from white, black from black, and ground from ground. Use your power drill to remove the screws from the ceiling mounting bracket. Pull the wires through the bracket to remove it. To install the Quartino ceiling fan, place the wires through the new mounting bracket and push it up towards the ceiling. With your drill, screw the mounting bracket to the ceiling brace using 2 screws. Remove the 2 top screws from the fan motor assembly. Place the canopy upside down on top of the fan motor assembly and line up the screw holes. Screw the canopy to the fan motor assembly using the screws you removed. Lift and hang the fan motor assembly on the fan hanger bracket located on the ceiling mount. To make wiring easier for you, separate the wires from each other before you start wiring. As you can see, we have a red wire, so we will connect the red ceiling wire to the fan blue wire, the ceiling white wire to the fan white wire, the ceiling ground wire to the fan ground wire, and the ceiling black wire to the fan black wire. Wrap electrical tape around each individual connection and wire connector to keep your home safe. Push the wires neatly into the canopy and secure it with screws. Grab your fan blades and place one of them into the slot located on the base of the fan motor assembly. Attach 3 screws into the blade holes to secure it to the fan motor assembly. It's a good idea to hand tighten first before using a drill. Place the second blade in a slot and secure it with 3 screws. Grab a third blade, stick it in another slot, and secure it with 3 screws. This will help maintain fan installation safety precaution. And by tightening the screws with your drill, it will help keep the fan blades from slipping off while in rotation. Great thing about this DIY project is you don't need an electrician to do it. Just follow safety precautions. Add a 4th blade to the fan motor assembly and secure it with 3 screws. Now add the 5th and final blade to the fan motor assembly and secure it with 3 screws. Loosen 2 and remove one of the 3 small screws under the fan motor assembly. Grab the hanging wires connected to the plug and feed them through the light kit to the other side. Tighten the 2 small screws that were just loosened and re-screw the 3rd screw that was taken off. Connect the white rectangular wire connectors together by lining up the letters located on each side of the connectors. Push the wires into the compartment and use a small screw to secure the latch. Carefully install the light bulbs one by one into each of the sockets. Connect the pull cord that controls the light and the pull cord that controls the fan. Carefully install the light cover. Make sure it's fully twisted on so that it does not fall onto the floor. Hold it until you're very confident that it's completely on. You did it! You installed a Quartino ceiling fan by Hunter. Remember to turn the power back on. Now test out the lights and the fan to see how they work. If you want to see more step-by-step budget-friendly DIY projects like this, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share with your family and friends, and remember, you can DIY too. And I'll see you in the next video.